The cryptocurrency market is currently in a state of measured caution, with CoinMarketCap's Fear and Greed Index holding steady at a score of 40. This score places the index in neutral territory, signaling that investor sentiment is neither overly bullish nor bearish. The index, which ranges from 0 to 100, is a composite metric that aggregates several market indicators to gauge the emotional state of the crypto market. At 40, the market is neither in a state of extreme fear nor extreme greed, but in a balanced, watchful phase. This stability suggests a lack of strong directional movement in sentiment, which can be a sign of uncertainty or consolidation. The Fear and Greed Index is calculated using a combination of data points, including the price momentum and trading volume of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. These metrics reflect broad market participation and can indicate whether the market is heating up or cooling down. Another key component is market volatility, measured through recent price fluctuations. Sharp price swings often correlate with either fear. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Or greed, as investors react to news or speculative trends. Derivatives market data, particularly the put-call ratio, is also considered. This ratio reveals whether traders are hedging against a potential downturn or speculating on further gains. A higher proportion of call options suggests greed, while a higher number of put options indicates fear. The stablecoin supply ratio, SSR, which compares the market cap of stablecoins to that of Bitcoin, is another factor. A rising SSR may suggest investors are parking funds in stablecoins, possibly in anticipation of a market downturn or simply waiting for more favorable entry points. CoinMarketCap's own search data is also integrated into the index. This reflects real-time user interest and can act as a barometer of emerging trends or growing curiosity about specific assets. A score of 40 is historically significant because it is often interpreted as a market that is neither overheated nor undervalued. This suggests that investors are not rushing in or fleeing en masse, which can be a sign of a market in transition or one that is waiting for a catalyst. In the context of Bitcoin's recent volatility and the broader market's mixed performance, a neutral index reading may indicate that traders are waiting for clearer signals before making larger moves. The Fear and Greed Index is not a predictive tool in itself, but rather a snapshot of current sentiment. It can help investors contextualize price movements and understand whether the market is overbought or oversold. A score of 40 suggests that the market is in a holding pattern, with no strong consensus emerging. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. This can be a precursor to either a breakout or a breakdown, depending on the next major market event or macroeconomic development. The next signal investors should watch is whether the index moves decisively above or below the neutral range. A sustained move above 50 could signal growing greed and a potential uptrend, while a drop below 30 could indicate rising fear and a possible correction. Until then, the market remains in a state of cautious equilibrium, with investors weighing their options and waiting for more definitive signals.